In this video, I will show how to change default photo viewer in Windows 11. So click on Start, then Settings, Default Apps. So here you will see a list of extensions. You can set photo as your need, like JPE. Click here and select your desired photo viewer in this list. JPG, click here and select your desired. For more options, you will browse apps in the Microsoft Store. You can choose an app on your PC and set is, and also you can set that application as default. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can change photo viewer in Windows 11.